Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. This is my mom's car. A 2008 Lincoln MKZ. It has a couple of things wrong with it that need to be checked out. I got another non-El Camino video for the channel. There's a few things going on with the car, and I'm going to try and button them up before she makes a long trip back home. Let's take a look at what they are. Alright, so I'm inside the car, and this little lock lever is kind of halfway sticking out. It's not fully locked and it's not fully unlocked. And what happens is, let me out of my car, and it says no. Apparently this is a pretty common issue with Ford Fusion, Lincoln Zypher, Lincoln MKZ of this model year range. So basically it's broken internals on the door handle. So I'll be replacing this door handle. But there is a trick to this. Instead of rolling down your window and reaching out and opening it from the outside so people look at you like you're crazy, you can hook the back side of the lock switch and pull at the same time, and voila, it'll open for you. So I don't want my mom to have to do that. I don't even know if she's got enough strength in her pinky finger to pull these at the same time. She'll probably have to do it with two hands, and I don't want her to go through all that stuff, so I'm going to replace it for her. Plastic piece that covers that screw. It doesn't come all the way off. It has a little piece that dangles in there. I guess that's what breaks whenever this goes bad. Ah, damn it. This was $12 off of Amazon. Ford dealerships want a lot more than that. I've heard like $50. I never priced it out because I found it for $12 on Amazon, and that was cheap enough for me. Worked all right to get that in there. That's it for the door handle replacement on a 2008 Lincoln MKZ or Ford Fusion or Mercury Milan. All the same. You can actually see now with the new handle in there, it actually moves the lever with the door handle when you go to unlock it. So that's why you're able to hook them both and pull them to unlock it if it's broken. So, but that's it. Hook the battery back up, make sure electronic locks and all that work.
Not bad for $12 from Amazon.